Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure passive income with Swagbucks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure passive income with Swagbucks, start by visiting the Swagbucks website or downloading the app. Create an account by providing the necessary information such as your email address and a password. Once your account is set up, verify your email to activate your account. Log in to your Swagbucks account. Familiarize yourself with the Swagbucks dashboard to understand the different earning options available. Explore the Discover section to find offers and deals that allow you to earn points, called SB. Take advantage of surveys in the Answer section, where you can share your opinions and earn rewards. Check out the Shop section for cashback opportunities on purchases you make online. If you enjoy watching videos, visit the Watch section, where you can earn SB by watching short clips. Consider searching the web using Swagbucks search engine to earn SB for your daily searches. Invite friends to join Swagbucks through the referral program to earn additional bonuses. Keep an eye on daily challenges or limited time promotions for extra opportunities to earn SB. Regularly check for special promotions that can boost your passive income. Once you accumulate enough SB, navigate to the Redeem section to exchange your points for gift cards or cash. Monitor your earnings consistently to maximize your passive income strategies. Continue to engage with Swagbucks daily to build a steady stream of passive income over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.